Learning AI. After 50 protects your brain and your bank account. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you something that sounds too good to be true. Learning AI right now could literally make your brain younger and protect you from getting scammed out of thousands of dollars. I know that sounds like some late-night infomercial pitch, but I've got the research to back this up, and it's pretty wild. Let me explain. So here's something most people don't know about learning new technology. It actually makes your brain work better, not just keeps it from getting worse. Actually better. A 2025 study published in Innovation in Aging found that older adults who engage in later life learning show cognitive function equivalent to being about 6 years younger than people who don't. 6 years. Just from learning new stuff. And another study from UC Riverside showed that when older adults learned multiple real-world skills at the same time, their cognitive scores didn't just improve, they stayed higher even a year after the study ended. Now here's where AI comes in. Learning AI is like a gym workout for your brain. And I'm not talking about some boring crossword puzzle. I'm talking about real skills that actually matter. Why? Because AI forces you to solve problems in new ways, learn new terminology and concepts, and constantly adapt as the technology changes. All of that, the problem-solving, the learning, the adapting, those are exactly the things that build what scientists call cognitive reserve. Think of it like this. Every time you figure out a new AI prompt, every time you troubleshoot why it gave you a weird answer, every time you learn a new way to use these tools, you're literally building new pathways in your brain. So while everyone else is worried that AI is going to make people lazy and unproductive, you're actually getting sharper by learning how to use it. That's kind of ironic, right? But here's the other reason you need to learn this stuff, and this one's way more urgent. Because while you're making your brain stronger, there are scammers out there using AI to target people over 50. And they're getting really, really good at it. Listen, I don't want to scare you, but you need to know this. Right now, scammers are using AI to clone voices. They can take a 30-second clip of your grandkid's voice from social media and then call you pretending to be them, saying they're in trouble and need money. And it sounds exactly like them. Same voice, same speech pattern. Everything. They're creating deepfake videos of people you trust, financial advisors, tech support, even family members. And here's the brutal truth. A 2025 research paper on AI-generated misinformation found that older adults are particularly vulnerable to this stuff. Not because you're less intelligent or less capable, but because you grew up in a time when seeing was believing. You're more trusting of authority figures. And let's be honest, most people over 50 haven't been taught how to spot this stuff. But here's what really got me. The University of Michigan did a survey and found that 92% of adults over 50 want to know when something is AI-generated, and 81% want to better understand AI-related risks. You're not asking to be protected by ignorance. You're asking for the knowledge to protect yourself. But nobody's teaching you. So you're out here trying to tell the difference between a real phone call and a voice clone, between a real video and a deepfake, between legitimate AI tools and scams. And you're doing it blind. That's not okay. So here's what I want you to understand. Learning AI isn't just about staying relevant at work or being productive. Those are bonuses. It's about two things. Number one, keeping your mind sharp as you age, literally adding years of cognitive function. And number two, protecting yourself from scammers who are using these same tools to target you. And the best part? You don't need to become some tech expert. You just need to understand how this stuff works. What AI can do. What it can't do. How to spot when something's been AI generated. That knowledge is your shield. Now, if you want to go deeper on this, if you want the complete hands-on, no frills, step-by-step guide to get up to speed on AI in a week or two, I put together a paid course that walks you through everything. It's designed specifically for people who want practical results, not theory. Real examples you can use, real prompts you can try, and real protection strategies you can implement today. The link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. But even if you don't grab that, please just start learning something about AI. Watch videos. Ask questions. Try ChatGPT for simple stuff. Because right now, every day you wait is another day your brain isn't getting that cognitive workout, and another day scammers are getting better at fooling people who don't understand this technology. You're smarter than that. Hit subscribe if this was helpful. Drop a comment if you've got questions about AI safety, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't let your brain age faster than it has to, and don't let scammers take advantage of you just because nobody taught you how this stuff works. You've got this.